Good morning, boys and girls. It is Wednesday, the middle of our week. It is September 16th, and it is our reading shirt day. If you have that reading shirt handy, as far as our Right to Read Week goes. So let's go ahead and fill in yesterday. So, yesterday was Tuesday. I love seeing your fun hats. Today being Wednesday, September 16th. And the year 2020 until the new year. And tomorrow will be Thursday. Keep in mind, Thursday being Crazy Hair Day. So, for our Google Meet on Thursday, I can't wait to see all your crazy hair. Now, moving on to our weather. Oh my goodness, the season is summer, but it is chilly outside, friends. It is 46 out there right now. I know I wore my jacket this time when I walked Evie up to the bus stop because it was cold. Let's go ahead and fill in, though, sunny because that is the expectation for today. The Weather Channel says it will be sunny today and it'll warm up into the 70s. In fact, a high of 78, they say. But that's often what we feel this time of year, where we'll have these cold mornings, these cold evenings, or these cool mornings and cool evenings, and then it'll be warm during the day. So it's almost like you have to dress in layers. Weather-wise, let's go ahead and pull sunny over. And remember, this one is our last sunny one. If you need to make another one, I shared this last time. You're going to hold down the control button and the C button when the blue lights are on whatever it is you want to copy. See how I have those blue little dots? Sometimes I refer to those as the blue lights. And then you'll press Control V. And look, I have another one, and I can actually put that one over here for next time if I want. Just like I can do the same thing with the purple. Control C, holding that down at the same time, Control V, and scooting it over, and I have all of them again. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now, money wise, let's go ahead and do something kind of big. Let's make 98 cents. So that's kind of a biggie. And let's scoot these dimes off here. So we have a clean slate on our piggy. Let's write in our amount at the top. Now, first of all, with the dollar sign, do we have any dollars in 98 cents? No. So we're going to put a 0 in that spot for the dollars. We don't have any dollars. Then we're going to write 98, not 89, 98, just like that. As far as the cents go, we don't have to show the dollars, so we're just writing 98 cents. Now, when we make change, we want to make that with the biggest possible coin. So looking at the coins we have down there, which one's the biggest one? If you said quarter, you're right. So if I drag over a quarter, how much do I have? 25 cents. Is that enough? No. So what should I do now? Could I add another quarter? Yeah, I could. In fact, I'll add another one. And what am I at now? If you said 50 cents, you're correct. Is that enough? No, still not enough. Okay, what should I do next? Could I add another quarter? Yes, I could. Okay, what am I at now that I have 3 quarters? Think about that for just a second. If you said 75 cents, you're right. Is that enough? No. So what should we do now? What's the next biggest coin we could use to make 98 cents? We're at 75 cents. We want to get to 98 cents. We're going to try a dime now. So let's go ahead and drag over a dime. We're at 75 cents. We're adding 10 cents to that. So now we're at 85 cents. Now what should we do? Well, can we add another quarter? No. Can we add another dime? Sure, we could. So let's grab another dime. And that dime is going to take us to 95 cents because we were at 85 cents. We added 10 more, taking us to 95 cents. Are we done yet? No, we're not done yet. So now let's go ahead and think. So we're at 95 You need 96, 97, 98. That's three more. How would we get three more? If you said 3 pennies, you're right. So here's one. I'll put it on the piggy's eyes. 2 and 3. And now we should have 98 cents. Are there other ways to make it? Absolutely. And if you can think of other ways, make sure you tell us. I've seen a lot of good ideas in the past. I can't wait to hear about your ideas because there's plenty of ways to make 98 cents. Now, next is our journal question. So, for our journal question on Wednesdays, it's a would you rather. So, would you rather Wednesday? Would you rather be a fish or a bird? Why? Now, in your notebook, you're going to make it look like this. At the top, you're going to put our date. So remember, this is where I'd put the month, this is where I would put the day of the week, and this is where I would put the year. So in today's case, you would put a 9 here because September's the 9th month. You would put a 16 here because today's the 16th, and you'd put a 20 here because it's the 20th. So 9/16/20. Then you'll write our journal prompt, incomplete sentences. So we're in second grade. We need to write incomplete sentences. And you'll say, I would rather be a, and then think about it. What would you rather be? Maybe you would rather be a fish. Maybe you love the idea of being able to swim. Maybe you think that would be really cool. You can think about the places you could swim to. Or maybe you'd rather be a bird. Maybe you like the idea of being able to fly. And you think that would be pretty cool to be able to fly. You could migrate in the winter so you wouldn't have to stick around in the cold. You could fly down south. And I've thought about this before. There's some pretty cool birds out there. Maybe you'd really like to be like a duck. A duck kind of has the best of both worlds, right? Think about that for a minute. So you decide and give me a few good sentences, at least 3 good sentences, telling me why. What would be so great about the one you chose? So I would rather be a bird or a fish because, and explain. And this requires a picture too. So give me a picture of you as that thing. So either a bird or a fish. All right, friends. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.